Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light or the maintenance required or service light on a Scion FRS. So for step 1, you want to make sure the ignition is on. And by doing this, if you have a start-stop button, you want to press it twice quickly so you don't start the car, you just want your ignition to be on. When the ignition is on, press the trip button as you see on the screen here until it reads trip A in the display. So now we're on step 2. Now you want to turn off the ignition. When the ignition is off, press and hold the trip button again. At the same time, turn on the ignition. Now continue to press the trip button for a couple of more seconds. Then turn off the ignition and your service light has been reset. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.